Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to sell Bitcoin on Kraken in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into the video. The first step is going to be to log into your Kraken account. So go ahead and log into Kraken's website with your email address and your password. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to navigate to the trading page by simply clicking on the trade tab. So click on the trade tab. It's going to take you to the trading page. And there you can select the Bitcoin market, such as, BTC to EUR or BTC to USD. Just select the Bitcoin market, and then you're going to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to sell. And once you've entered that, select the order type, such as market order or limit order. You already know which one you want to use, so go ahead and select that. And once that's done, you're going to confirm the order by clicking on the sell button. And once you've clicked on that, just wait for the order to be executed by Kraken. And they're going to verify the transaction by, you can verify the transaction by checking your Kraken account balance and transaction history to make sure that that was successful. And if it was, you can go ahead and withdraw your funds to your bank account or to your cryptocurrency wallet. That's pretty much it on how to sell Bitcoins on Kraken in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.